Good day, folks. My name is Sean, and this is Air Photography. Today's video is just going to be a quick little update video. The firmware update that we've all been waiting for the Hero 9 Black was released this morning. The version that was released this morning is version 1.5, and it brings a lot of new enhancements and features. Now, today's video is going to be mainly focused on the microphone adapter and that it's now compatible, but let's take a look at what else they have added. I'll throw a close-up on the screen so you can read it. You can see here that it now provides support for the remote. The remote is a new accessory that is not quite available yet. I checked this morning, and as of this morning, it's not available on their website. But it's a new remote that's going to be compatible with the Hero 9 Black, the Hero 8 Black, and the GoPro Max. It's going to be fully waterproof and looks actually pretty interesting. So that should be appearing for sale on their website anytime now. And the next bullet point there, you can see it now supports the microphone adapter that was around for the Hero 5, 6, and 7 Black. For some reason, this wasn't compatible on launch day, but this firmware update does make it compatible now. The next thing, it improves hypersmooth in cool temperature. The update also offers faster wireless offloads from the GoPro app, improves GPS lock and accuracy, and provides support for live streaming with the Max lens mod. So some pretty interesting updates, and I know a lot of people have been waiting for this to become compatible. Up until now, if you wanted to connect an external microphone, you had to purchase the media mod, and that might have been GoPro's reason for not including support for this right from the get-go. Maybe they wanted to force people to buy this. Hopefully that's not the case, but these corporations are all about making money. But needless to say, this is now compatible. I've already actually tested it out. I've updated both my GoPro Hero 9 Blacks and have tested it out, and it works perfectly. And one nice feature now that this is compatible, you have a choice of how you want to connect a microphone. The media mod works well for connecting a microphone. You can just plug it in there. But the problem is it's $79, and if you have no use of the built-in microphones because they don't really actually sound that great, you might already have one of these laying around, and you don't want to spend the money on a media mod. You can also now use third-party options like this. This is by Ulanzi, and it is a vlogging cage. You can see here we have a spot to hold the microphone adapter. There's a raised pedestal there, so when you do connect a microphone, it's going to be out of the frame. I'm just going to go ahead here and put this together, and then we'll do a quick test of the microphone adapter. So with the Ulanzi one, you do have to remove the door because it has its own door built in. Pull off that back door, take that side door off, and then slide in our GoPro. Put the door back in, and as you can see there, it does leave a cutout, so if you do want to charge it up easily, or like what we're doing now, plugging in the microphone adapter, there's a spot there for it. The microphone adapter just slides in there like that, and for the most part it's just held in with friction, and then we just plug it in there, just like so. We attach our microphone of choice, and plug it into the adapter. I did forget we have to put the back door back on there, just like that. You have to do that before you put the microphone on. Now, one thing you're going to notice right away when using the microphone adapter, you don't have that audio meter down at the bottom like you do with the media mod. It's not really a big deal, but just so you're aware. If we go into the settings here, we'll swipe over to go to preferences, and we're going to go to mods. You can see there, it still lists that the media mod is installed. You can see there if I unplug the microphone adapter, that disappears. So it picks the microphone adapter up as the media mod, and you can still go in and adjust what type of microphone you're using, whether you're using a standard mic like what I have here, or if you're going to be using a powered mic, that's something that has its own battery. This video is more just showing that it is now compatible. I'm not going to do any audio tests because I've done numerous audio tests with these microphones and the microphone adapter. If you want any specific audio tests, like say you want this kind of setup compared to the media mod, let me know down in the comments, and I'll do some comparisons that way. But I don't want to include that in this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So now at this point, you compare it with something like the Freewell Gear power bank handle. Plug in your GoPro cable, then plug the other end into the microphone adapter. As you can see there, it's now providing power to the GoPro, so that allows you to do a lot of extended recording without having to swap out your batteries all the time. And of course, you can always take it even a step further, add the GoPro light or some other small portable light to the other cold shoe on the other side there, and you can brighten up your face while you're doing some vlogging. So it is really nice that they finally added support for the microphone adapter, so if you want to build your own vlogging rig, then you don't have to rely on the media mod. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.